Nikon Z FC Mirrorless Ultimate Style Shooter Plus 16 to 50mm Bundle Review. Imagine holding a camera that looks like vintage film magic, but shoots 4K video smoother than your phone. This is the Nikon Z FC DX-Format Mirrorless Camera, paired with the NIKKOR Z DX 16 to 50mm f3.5 to 6.3 VR lens. And it does all that in a stunning silver, retro style. Here's the surprise. It's fully articulating flip-out screen nails selfies and vlogs so well, even the pros will envy you. All packed into one lightweight body. So, why lug around bulky DSLRs when this pocket rocket sparks pure joy? You know the chase. That perfect street snapshot or family portrait, but your phone camera crops your creativity short. Digital zoom fakes it and blurs details, while low light muddies the mood. And vlogging? Flip screens glitch, and batteries quit mid-story. Bulky DSLRs can intimidate beginners. With lenses you have to swap endlessly. Users of the Nikon Z FC face this daily grind. Dull colors that drain the fun, autofocus that hunts and misses the magic in a subject's eyes. But what if? What if tactile, analog dials met modern flip screen tech? What if you could travel light, yet capture wildlife vividly and events emotionally? The silver bundle tempts you, coming ready with a shoulder bag, a filter kit, and a 64GB card. Its 20.9 megapixel sensor whispers real professional potential. Everyday shooters are whispering. Finally, the fun flows. The context clicks. This retro vibe hides a true powerhouse, igniting that "what's my next shot?" spark. So, what delivers on this desire? The Nikon Z FC DX-Format Mirrorless Camera with its NIKKOR Z DX 16 to 50mm lens. It's fueled by features you'll love. A 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor makes colors pop vibrant and shadows rich. The XP6 image processor nails shots even at an ISO of 51,000, keeping low-light images sharp as day. Eye detection autofocus locks onto humans and animals instantly, making portraits come alive. And it fires at 11 frames per second to freeze sports action and genuine smiles. The 180-degree flip touchscreen makes vlogging flawless, while uncropped 4K UHD at 30 frames per second and silky slow motion at 120 frames per second turn dreams into reality. Compared to phones, you get true optical zoom and vibration reduction to steady your hikes. Next to DSLRs, it's dramatically lighter, with dials that make shooting intuitive and joyful. The included kit lens, from 16 to 50mm, is incredibly versatile for walkabouts and gets razor-sharp around f5.6. And this bundle truly shines. The 64GB card stores endless RAW files. The bag makes slinging it easy, and the filters make skies pop. The results? A vlogger's reels explode with new followers. A hiker's wildlife frames end up gallery-ready. One storyteller notes, it feels film fresh, but digital easy. The benefits cascade. Your confidence surges. Editing is minimal. You're getting straight keepers. And for your education, the Nikon Z mount gives you a path to grow with endless lenses later. The proof is solid. DP Review praises its excellent JPGs and color science. Popular vloggers say, the ZFC in silver got me 200,000 followers. That flip screen was a game changer. Tests of firmware version 1.60 show its autofocus now rivals the Nikon Z6 Mark II for portraits. On forums, users buzz, I upgraded from a 10-year-old D5300. My wife stole the ZFC because the dials made exposure fun. And the bundle gets raves. The 64GB card lasted my entire Japan trip for 4K and bursts. It's backed by Nikon's warranty and seamless snap bridge connectivity. Thousands echo one sentiment. It's the most beautiful, capable camera under $1,000. That trust is sealed. Your ready-to-shoot value is waiting. Bundles like this DP in stock fast. It's time to start creating those viral vlogs and portraits. This light kit transforms casual snaps into professional joy. Your story starts right here.